Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. I got a bunch of vegetable left over in my fridge, so I make a quick vegetable stir fry. Some vegetable cooking oil. I'm gonna add some gochujang, Korean sriracha paste. Spicy, got lots of flavor. Ginger and garlic. Gochujang, I'm going to take a little bit to dissolve. Stir fry the mint, ginger and garlic until aromatic. I have my frying pan in high heat. Okay, now we're just going to put in all the vegetables that left over. I got some Brussels sprout, celery stem will be a good one, gives you a lot of flavor. I got some bell pepper and string bean. The string bean I cut it in half. You can tell it's almost way out. Cut it in half. I got some zucchini. Smell good already. Simple stir fry, very healthy. Stir, stir, stir. In this frying pan, the string bean probably take a little longer to cook, but it's okay. I'm just trying to save some time. Otherwise, you just have to blanch the string bean, soften up a little bit. Look at this one. And I have rice cooking right now, sticky rice. Very fresh. When you stir fry vegetable with a high heat, you don't have the water coming out, you know? They evaporate all the nice juice, and vegetable have really nice flavor. Oh, look at this. Got a little sticker. Take it out. Got very amazing smell. Very nice. I'm just gonna keep stir fry. I want all the flavor combined together, just like this. All right. We're gonna add some hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce is like a little sweet flavor, got a nice enhanced flavor, like that. And then I'm just gonna add light sodium soy sauce. Just go around like this, go around, lightly. If you want to add some sesame seed, go right ahead. Sesame seed, huh? Like that. "15 minutes meal." If you like to add some water, go right ahead. Now to soften the vegetable. I'm not going to add water, but just let you know if you want to add some water, it's okay. I'm just going to make them really nice and crispy, vegetable, delicious. Like that. Oh yeah. You see that? Put this in the middle. Ta-da! Oh, nice heat. See the caramelization on that zucchini? Beautiful. Three ingredients, not much. Hoisin sauce, light sodium soy sauce, and some minced ginger and garlic. Gochujang is just for the flavor, you know, you always experiment Just try out different flavor. See how you like it. I like everything. It sounds tastes good. If I can eat this for 2 days, I will lose 3 to 5 pounds. Okay, I think this is good. Where's my sesame oil? Right here. Uh-oh. My smoke alarm is smoking now. I cannot turn the exhaust fan, otherwise too loud. Okay, here we go, my friend. Oh yeah. So right here. I'm gonna turn the fire off. More sesame seed. Look at this, huh? Gorgeous. I'm gonna try one piece out. Make sure the flavor is good. Oh my goodness. So delicious. Oh, I can eat this every day. So healthy. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year. Bye.